Join Kids Hat family.
Learn new words with Tia and Tofu. Tia? Tia? What does the word empathy mean? Oh, that's a great question, Tofu. Let me explain. Empathy means understanding how someone else feels. For example, if your friend is sad and you feel sorry for them and try to help, that's empathy. Repeat after me. Empathy. Empathy. That's right, Tofu. Now, can you give me an example of empathy?
If my friend fell down and I helped them feel better, that's empathy.
That's right. Now let's learn some new words and what they mean. Are you ready? Let's go. The next word is sympathy. Say it with me. Sympathy.
Sympathy.
Sympathy means feeling sorry for someone. Like if your friend lost their toy, you feel sad for them. Tofu, can you show sympathy?
Oh no, I'm sorry you lost your toy.
Perfect. Now let's learn curious. Repeat. Curious.
Curious.
Curious means wanting to learn or know more about something. Tofu, what are you curious about today?
I'm curious about stars and the solar system.
Great! Being curious helps you learn amazing things every day. Let's jump to our next word, and it is courageous. Say it with me. Courageous.
Courageous.
Courageous means being brave and trying new things even if they seem hard. Tofu, can you show us how to be courageous?
I will try riding my bike without training wheels.
Exactly. Friends, being courageous helps you believe in yourself and do amazing things every day. And the last word for today is patient. Repeat after me. Patient.
Patient.
Being patient means waiting calmly without getting upset. Tofu, can you show patience?
I'm waiting for my turn in the game without getting angry.
Wonderful!
Wow, thanks Tia for teaching me all these new words. I want to be all of these.
Remember, using these words in your daily life can make you a better helper, learner, and friend. When we are empathetic, sympathetic, curious, courageous, and patient, we not only learn new things but also become kind, strong, and confident. That's it for now, friends. Bye.
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hat family. Subscribe here.